Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be exploring the 5 websites that every online business owner should know about. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or you're just starting out, these tools will help everything from operations to customer service. They basically help future-proof your processes. So let's dive in. First up is WriteBlogger. It's a content creator's dream, offering advanced SEO tools, analytics, content planning features. WriteBlogger helps you stay ahead of trends with AI-driven insights, making sure that your blog or website attracts and retains a growing audience. My current use for WriteBlogger is converting my YouTube videos into blog articles that will help people that learn a different way. Really like WriteBlogger, and I'm testing a ton of different uses, and I plan on doing a deep dive video later on. Next up, we have ChatGPT. This AI platform transforms customer service with its intelligent chatbot capabilities. From handling FAQs to guiding users through your site, ChatGPT really ensures your customers receive instant 24/7 support, enhancing their overall experience. It can help draft your About You page, your listings. It really is something that can be powerful if you know the right prompts. At number 3 is Notion, and Notion is the most powerful organizational tool. Combining note-taking, task management, and project tracking, Notion helps keep all your business organized and in one place. It's collaborative, so you can work with teams, making remote work more efficient than ever. And fourth on our list is Canva. With the need for eye-catching visuals at an all-time high, Canva offers easy-to-use platform for creating everything from social media graphics to branding materials, ensuring your business stands out online, which is really hard to do these days. The best beginner-friendly graphic tool on the market today, hands down. And lastly, WordPress. And we're spotlighting this because there's a shift happening where people want to see the founder of the business and no longer the brand talking. While having a brand is important to your business identity, the new customer base are interested in hearing directly from the founder, which brings us to WordPress. Setting up a landing page with a blog and a little bit about yourself can really grow your community, and it's perfect for building deeper connections and relationships. And there you have it, the 5 must-have websites for every online business owner in 2024. These tools were designed to help you manage, market, and to grow your business in the digital age. I included a link to each of these websites in the description below. If you've tried any of these tools, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, where I'll be posting more tips and tricks for business strategies in 2024. Thanks for tuning in.